We are down to the wire on this home renovation. We have 2 big international trips coming up and just 3 weeks to finish. Will we make it? I don't know. So freaking nervous. If you're new here, we just purchased our first home in Florida, completely sight unseen. She's a bit rough around the edges. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of rat poop. There's no floor. But she has so much potential. Our original goal was to finish the renovation in 45 days. We're 30 days in and, well, things aren't exactly going to plan.
This corner. All I accomplish is destroying anything I touch.
Dang. Subscribe to join us as we share the last stretch of our home renovation journey. What? Oh, I'm so excited. This is huge. We're laying the flooring and it looks so good in there. Yeah.
Compressor is super loud.
Yeah, it is. They're doing the roof right now. They just laid the tile floor in the bathroom and it looks so good.
Nice.
Now we have to go pick out the grout for the shower tile, but we wanted to have the tiles with us so we could see what's gonna look best.
Make sure we get the right color.
Yeah. Picking paint colors is so hard. I honestly think it's been the hardest part of this renovation. We have gone through 4 different sample colors so far and we hate them all. Now we've gone back to Home Depot for like the 6th time to pick out more paint.
How much have we spent, you think, in samples?
I don't know, a lot of money. They're like $6 each, I think, for these. But I will say it is worth buying the samples from the store and actually painting your walls because we have all these swatches that we thought looked perfect in the room, and then when we actually painted it, it looked totally different. So you cannot just go by the swatches. You might be smarter than us and already know to do that.
Because I can tell you, we're still testing over the old color. So even after he primes, it's gonna look different again.
I know. I think we're gonna get it today. We have 3 colors chosen that I think are gonna be like the perfect blend of everything we've tried. I pray. Because we're about to leave for a 10-day trip to Panama and they are going to be painting when we are gone. So we have to have this narrowed down.
Look at this corner.
He's such a perfectionist, it is ridiculous. Any other perfectionists out there? Look at that ring.
I'm leaning more towards the top one.
Yeah, I like both.
What's happening?
I don't remember the code. It's been 10 days.
We have no idea what this is about to look like. We know it's gonna look very different because the painting process has started and Camilo has been banging it out.
What? I love it. I love the paint color.
Yeah, it looks good.
Real quick, Liz from the future here. We have finished the renovation and we are starting to decorate and pick out furniture. It has turned out beautifully and we cannot wait to share the reveal with you. But before we share the rest of this renovation journey with you, we wanted to hop on to tell you about an amazing deal our video sponsor, Brooklyn Bedding, is offering the month of November only. One thing we were not willing to compromise on as we transitioned from RVing to house life was our quality of sleep. We upgraded all 3 of our RV mattresses instantly after purchasing them, and for the last 6 years, we've been sleeping like royalty. Brooklyn Bedding offers mattresses for homes and RVs with unique size options, like the Short Queen or the RV King, all at a really affordable price. It's super easy to shop for a new mattress on their website and it ships directly to your door. Setting up only took a few minutes after unwrapping it out of its packaging, and it inflated in just a few minutes. We love that their mattresses have some of the best health standards in the industry. It's really important to us. There's no nasty chemicals or off-gassing, and there was no nasty smells when we took it out of the packaging. Dennis is a hot sleeper, so we chose the Aurora Luxe cooling mattress in a medium firmness. It offers the perfect balance of smoothness and support and helps keep Dennis cooler at night thanks to its advanced cooling technology. When you're ready to upgrade your home or RV mattress, make sure to visit Brooklyn Bedding using the link in the video description below. If you use our code EATCRV, you can get 25% off your mattress order at any time. Also, make sure to keep an eye out for their Black Friday sales that are happening at the end of the month. It's going to be the biggest sale of the year. Don't miss out on getting the best sleep of your life. Make sure to visit Brooklyn Bedding using the link below. And hurry, because once November ends, so do these incredible deals.
I gotta switch hats. It's too big for the house. Good thing I brought 2.
Last one.
Last one.
Good job. Today's goal is to install the flooring, or at least start on it. We have my brother-in-law Shane, who is a godsend here helping us. We went with luxury vinyl plank for our flooring. We looked at a ton of options and a ton of different companies before purchasing. We loved engineer hardware as an option, but we really liked the durability and longevity of vinyl plank flooring. It's 100% waterproof, it's scratch resistant, it is just made to last a lifetime. Unfortunately, after finishing the bathroom, we realized that the washer dryer we purchased will not fit in the space it's supposed to. So Camilo has to rip out an entire wall in a space that was totally finished. I feel very, very bad. Camilo, bien trabajo. Qué rápido, ¿no?
Are you freaking out?
Yes. I don't know if this is gonna fit. Praying this will work, but now he's behind there. I don't know how he's gonna get out. Oh my god, I'm so freaking nervous. It's in! It's in! They did it! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We can do laundry in our own washing machine now.
So all we gotta do is hang the hammock and we can move in.
The bathroom is officially done. The first room in the home to be finished. I'm in love. We just got back to our house after spending the last 7 weeks exploring Spain. It was an epic trip, but unfortunately not that much got done on the house, and it has been a very quick jump back into reality since being home. There's a lot we still need to finish. Our contractor has finished most of his work. That's why not a lot of progress happened while we were away. It's really just on us now to finish what's left. Our brother-in-law is still being so gracious and helping us out with a ton of projects. We are so, so grateful. While we were gone, he ended up fixing a problem we had in our kitchen. It was really unlevel, so every time Dennis would install the planks there, it would crack. So our brother-in-law was able to lay down some self-leveling cement on the floor, and he was able to reinstall and get past that hurdle while we were gone. He also finished the flooring in our spare bedroom. Dennis and Shane finished the flooring upstairs the other day, which looks fantastic, and now we are on the last room in the hallway.
Good. Killing it.
The floors are finished. The floors are finished. This is a huge accomplishment. Now we have baseboards, and we can move on to the kitchen. We got cabinets that you can assemble yourself. They're made from real wood. They have soft closing drawers. They're pre-painted. So they're really easy to use and install. You just have to take the time to do it yourself. It's coming together. There's still a long way to go. Things are coming together. Shane is installing the last of the upper cabinets right now, and we have our countertops. They look beautiful.
Good job, Shane. Good show.
It's all him.
Yeah, honestly, I've banished myself from doing any work to the house alone because all I accomplish is destroying anything I touch. So now, nothing gets done unless Shane's here.
Here we go, last cabinet. Whole 45-day timeline thing did not work out as planned.
No, we blew right through that thing.
For 45 days, 4 months, I mean, that's the same thing, right?
Sure.
But we are in the home stretch. The house is finished. We're slowly buying furniture and making her our own. It's gonna be a long journey before she's really like
Livable.
yeah, ours and feels like our space. We have a couch, a bed, and a functioning kitchen, and that's about it right now. So it's gonna be a minute before we're able to show you the full reveal tour, but we're already loving this space so much. I can't believe this is the same house that we saw back in June. Feels like a completely different place. Thanks so much for following along our journey. We'll see you next time. Come on, Camilo.
Every time I start this, some tools go off.